Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So as you guys can tell by today's title, I'm back with another cooking video. But actually, it's not a cooking video. I'm going to be making a drink for you guys. It is called Horchata. If you don't know what Horchata is, it's pretty much a Mexican drink that I personally think tastes like French toast. It's so good. It's super sweet and cinnamony. I guess that's the word, cinnamony. But I think it's so good and I just wanted to show you guys how to make it. If you want, you can make this recipe vegan as well. I'm not making it vegan today. I'm making it with regular milk, but you can make it with almond milk or whatever milk that vegans drink. But you can also make this as well boozy. If you want, you can add vodka, you can add rum, or you can even add rumchata. If you don't know what rumchata is, it's pretty much kind of like horchata in a way. It has that cinnamon taste, French toast-like taste. You can also put that in to double up on the cinnamon French toast flavor. But that's if you guys want to do that. But I'm just gonna be making it regular with no alcohol today. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys all the ingredients. So take out your notepad, take out your paper, take out your pen, whatever you guys need to write this down. So what you guys are gonna need for this recipe is cinnamon sticks, water, sugar, white sugar, cinnamon, ground cinnamon, milk, vanilla, rice, uncooked rice, you don't need to boil it yet, water, and yeah. That's about it. So there's only a few ingredients to this recipe, which is absolutely great. I had everything that I needed in my house already, so I didn't have to go out and buy it, which was great. But yeah, we're just gonna get started. So what you're first gonna need to do is put in a bowl. I already went ahead and did this step because you have to let things chill overnight. So what I have right here is just 1 1/3 cups of rice. I have long grain white rice. So I have that in a bowl and I just covered it and filled it with water. I didn't measure the water. You don't need to measure the water right now. All you have to do is just make sure all the rice is coated and covered. You let that sit in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. I went ahead and did that already. I let that sit overnight. And then after you do this, you're gonna need to strain it. I'll show you guys what that looks like. You're just gonna need to strain the rice. Come over here, I don't know if you guys can see me. Okay, so you're going to strain all the water out of the rice, and then you're going to need a blender as well. So then when you're done, you put your uncooked soaked rice in. And the whole point of soaking the rice is to make it a little bit softer because you're going to be blending a lot of things in here and you don't want it to like hurt the blender or anything like that because it's rough, so you have to kind of be gentle. So whoops, I kind of made a mess, but that's okay. So you're going to have your rice mixture in here, and then you're going to need some cinnamon sticks. You're gonna need 2 cinnamon sticks for this. So I have 1 big one. I'm just gonna break that in half. And you're gonna put that in the blender. Oh my god, I literally love the way cinnamon smells. So you're gonna put that in the blender, and then you're going to put 2 cups of water with this, and then you're just gonna blend it until it's roughly chopped. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 cups of water in here. You can also put, if you want, as many cinnamon sticks as you like. Like if you're a super cinnamon person and you like that cinnamon flavor to come through a lot, you're going to be adding more cinnamon in later on. So if you want, you can always add more cinnamon. It's up to you, but this recipe that I'm doing requires only 2 cinnamon sticks. And the average cinnamon stick, I would say, is about like this big. That's why I broke it in half to make it 2. So then you're just gonna go ahead and blend this. And you're not gonna blend it until there's like nothing left to it, like no more pieces in it. You're gonna have those pieces, so you wanna just roughly chop it. so that's pretty much good. I don't know if you guys can see, but there are still some like cinnamon chunks and some rice in it, but that's okay. So after this, you're gonna go ahead and pour it in a pitcher or whatever you want to store it in, and you're gonna go ahead and refrigerate this for at least 6 hours or overnight, which is best because you want all the, you know, ingredients to marinate and sit and chill. So I already went ahead and did that. So I have another batch in the fridge that has been there overnight. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that, and then I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the picture. You can tell like all the stuff on the bottom. I don't know, let's see. You can see all the stuff on the bottom still, like the rice, the cinnamon, it like marinated. And I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this up a little bit. So next what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and strain this mixture. So I'm gonna put it in a bowl, and then I'm just gonna put it back in this pitcher because I wanna serve it. It's easier to serve it in a pitcher because, you know, it already has a nozzle for it to pour out, so you're not gonna be making a mess. So you're gonna go ahead and strain this mixture, and then after you're going to put your sugar in, your ground cinnamon, and your vanilla, and then you're gonna chill it again. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and then I'll show you guys the rest of the steps after. So when you're done straining, you could go ahead and discard this leftover rice and everything and the chunks because you don't need that anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this out. So now I'm just gonna rinse this out because I don't want any of the chunks or the rice in it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pour this mixture back in this pitcher. So now I'm gonna pour it back in here. That's just all the cinnamon. That's okay to have. Okay, so next you're gonna add the rest of your ingredients. You're gonna need a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. And if you like this to be more cinnamony, like I said, you can always add more. I think I'm gonna do 2 ½ teaspoons. And then you're going to need a ½ tablespoon of vanilla extract. And vanilla is super strong, so you don't want to put too much of it because it can overpower it, and then it's just going to taste like vanilla extract the whole time. So next you're going to need 2/3 cups of sugar. And then you're going to need 1 cup of milk. And then you guys are just gonna mix it, and then you can taste it and see if it's to your liking, and if not, you can add whatever more that you need. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix. And now would be the step if you wanted to make it boozy. You would go ahead and add whatever alcohol that you guys want to include. And then this would be the step if you want to make it vegan. Instead of adding the regular milk, you could add 1 cup of almond milk or whatever milk that you guys prefer. Okay, so when you have your mixture here and it's all done, you could go ahead and put it in the fridge again to chill it, and then you could serve it over ice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge for a little bit so it can be nice and cold, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys and show you what the final results look like. Okay guys, so now that the mixture has chilled, I'm gonna go ahead and assemble it and serve it over ice, and we're gonna see how it tastes. That was too much. We'll just put that back, act like nothing happened. Actually, I want one more. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pour. So guys, this is what it looks like. Can't really see, but there's a lot of cinnamon chunks in it. Not chunks, but you know. Let's see. Wow, that's bomb. That's so good. And I put that extra teaspoon of cinnamon, and it's super cinnamony, so I like it like that, so I think it's great. So like I said, this is all to your preference. You can put whatever you guys want of how much in it, but I think it came out great. I highly recommend this recipe. I'll link everything down in the description box. I'll put the ingredients and the recipe and how much of everything, and you guys could go ahead and make this, and let me know if you guys do end up making it and how you guys like it. So that's about it for this little horchata video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what else you guys want to see me make. Give me some ideas, because I have nothing else to do besides cook, make food, and make some drinks. So let me know what else you guys want to see from me. And if you're new to my channel and have not yet subscribed, go click that subscribe button. I don't know what you guys are waiting for, but go click it and come support your girl. And yeah, that's about it guys. Thanks for watching.